Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another video on my Facebook page and Instagram. Guys, I want to tell one thing about my life. That is, I'm started intermittent fasting from yesterday. But my intermittent fasting is my kind of fasting. I skip dinner and I'll take breakfast at around 8 o'clock and I will start to take lunch to school or something fruits so that I can eat in that tiffin time, and after coming from school I will take another meal. Intermittent fasting is your day is divided between 16 plus 8 hours. During 8 hours you can anything what you want, but not except sugary items, fast food. Then 16 hours of fasting, this completes your day. And according to the research and data on YouTube or Google, I find it will surely rejuvenate your life. I don't know my life or my lifestyle will change or not, but I'm trying it. Thank you, bye bye. People may wonder why I'm doing this thing. Because I want to live as long as possible. I'm 28 and by not following this rule, I think I have been ruining my life. Now I completely stopped it and I want to change my life.